So today we're going to be looking at ticker symbol CLOV for Clover Health, another short squeeze candidate which has been consolidating very, very well in the past couple of days, but it did break out of a resistance, a key resistance of a low of around $14.07, but just barely just breaking out of it. I did end up opening up a position at $13.70. So because I thought it was a good opportunity to get into this position. I guess because I don't really see much support anywhere else besides, I guess, this $9.70, which I'll just throw on over here. But I don't mind taking a bit of a risk, even if it does fall a little bit lower than this. Then possibly it will allow me to dollar cost average a little bit lower. So we'll be keeping an eye on CLOV. Now it has been pretty well. Uh, the consolidation was pretty nice, and aftermarket is trading slightly higher, around $13.77, which is positive as well. So that's something good to look at as well. It is a prime candidate for a short squeeze because I think I was seeing Kevin's video where he had um, a couple of short interest stocks, and Clover was one of the highly shorted ones. Now, one of the investors behind Clover is Chamath Palihapitiya, who was also being a key investor in SPCE, and even that shot up after it was squeezed. So I think these guys are just having a lot of fun when they start seeing these massive short positions. And when you have big investors like Chamath Palihapitiya, uh, who's been against shorts for a very, very long time, and he's been vocal about short positions for some time now. The way they target back is very, very nice. It's been amazing for the community, whichever has been following these short squeeze communities like RKT, AMC, GME. So it's given individuals a lot of financial power to do a lot of things, from helping out their families or just to open up positions in new stocks. And it's also been very healthy for companies like Clover, who've been able to also take profits off the table, just to reinvest back into the business. So all in all, it will be a very interesting battle to watch out. And I do not want to miss out on this battle, so I did open up a position. Um, Now, if we did break out of this 27, um, I'm hoping for it to break out even more higher than this $27.49, because there's still a high percentage of shorts available. Uh, let's see if we can pull that up. Why not? We'll split screen this. Let's go ahead and open this, and we will open CLOV short. Move this a little bit out of the way. SHORT short interest. Um, so according to marketbeat.com, the short percentage of float is around 36.11%, which is very, very high. So people are hoping for Clover to fall in price, but obviously that will be a battle that we will be watching very closely. Why not? Let's go ahead and just open up Ortex, which seems to be one of the more popular. Um, I need a login. I still do not have a login for Ortex, so let's just go back up to MarketVeed and just get a analysis of Clover Health. So 1377, around down 6%. So I did open up a position right around the closing, I think 1 hour before the close. So current short volume is 41 million. So that's very, very high. Previous short volume was 40 million. So there's been a 2% increase in the short interest for Clover. around 315 million sold short. So I think the longer we consolidate within this period, instead of breaking even lower, if we're able to consolidate between this 13, um, I guess even this 13.70 and 14 or 16 dollar area, a good consolidation would be very, very healthy. This that would bring a lot of fear into short positions, and possibly uh, cause a gamma squeeze or a short squeeze. Now, um, with a short squeeze, I'm hoping for it to even break out higher than its previous high. So we will be watching this very, very closely. Um, but this is what's important right here. The current short volume is 41 million, a little bit over 41 million. So it'll be very, very interesting to see how this plays out. Clover seems to have a good backing. There's a good community behind it as well. I think that's it for this video. Just remember to always do your due diligence. This is no financial advice. This is just my homework, which I use to trade off of, and I like to share my homework on YouTube. So it's not anything that you should be using, but just more for information. Just maybe you can probably see how I'm setting up my charts, resistance zones, trend patterns, and all that kind of stuff. So never trade off of any of this information, but it's more just for knowledge-based information. And always make sure to do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. It's very, very important for you to understand what sort of trade you're going into and how much you're able to also risk in those certain trades. So all in all, if you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also leave a comment for any ticker symbols you would like me to chart, and I'll try to get those out as soon as possible. And obviously thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.